Leaky gutters can be annoying with dripping water, but worse, they can result in damage to your home. Welcome to Tomahawk DIY, everyone. I'm Mike. Today I'll show you these simple home repairs with leak stopper rubber Flexx liquid coating and with leak stopper waterproof tape. Now I want to thank the Gardner Gibson brand for sponsoring this video. Rubber Flexx is great at stopping leaky rain gutters. You can just see this thing dripping and it's headed all down the side of the house. One of the most important steps is cleaning the area where we need to apply the rubber Flexx products. Get it cleaned off and nice and ready for this coat of rubber Flexx liquid. Now this waterproof tape has incredible adhesion and can be installed on all sorts of building surfaces in hot and cold weather. So there's a release liner that you peel back when it's time to adhere. Now be sure you've got it in the right spot. Now I'm going to apply pressure because I want this secured down good and tight. My surface is clean and dry. We're ready to apply this rubber Flexx liquid coating. I'm going to be sure I'm extending past the waterproof tape. So I'm going to apply some here on the stucco metal at this junction. Here's the completed repair after the product is dried, and we've stopped water from finding its way between the stucco and the shingles. The rubber Flexx liquid can be used on its own, but for even stronger leak stopping, it can be used as a system with the rubber Flexx waterproof tape for 2 layers of waterproof protection. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.